Hey, what's going on, ACN Appliance? I just wanted to send over a quick video showing you all an opportunity I think you might be missing out on. Um, so if I go over to Google and I type in appliance repair in Midland, Texas, there's gonna be a lot of companies that pop up here. But unfortunately, we're not finding your company here on page one. If we go over to this tool we have for search volume, we see that there are over 300 searches every month for appliance repair in Midland, Texas. So there's over 300 searches every month looking for services that you provide. But unfortunately, if you're not on page one, there's really not a lot of chance that these customers that are looking for these services are going to find you. About 90% of people, when they're searching for something, they're going to find it on page one. Only 10% go past page one to two, three, four on down Google's search engine rankings. Now, the number one factor Google uses to rank websites on its search engine is something called backlinks, and it's something you've probably heard before. And it's basically just websites ranking back to your website from theirs. And Google sees these as votes ranking your website higher. And from what I can see, you have a decent amount of backlinks. But when I look at the backlinks that you have, and it looks like you might have paid someone to do backlinking for you. So we're getting a lot of foreign sites on here. But unfortunately, if you look in the trust flow of all these backlinks, they're all zero. So not only are these backlinks not helping your site, but they're actually hurting your site's rankings. Because if we go over to the actual trust flow of your website, it's at zero. If we go to one of your competitors, number one here, M&M Appliance, we put theirs in. Now they only have 12 backlinks, but if we actually look at the type of backlinks they have, their trust flow for some of these backlinks are higher than zero. So they're actually getting that trust sent to their website, which is putting their trust flow at a 7. So a lot of times when these companies pay for a backlinking service, they don't always know what they're getting. And a lot of times when companies do backlinking for you, they're actually doing more harm than good by just posting a bunch of spammy backlinks. So what I would do if I were you is I would go to these backlinks that are zero on the trust flow. I would find out where these referring domains are. Just click on them, for instance. Sorry, it's loading really slow. Oh. Anyways, I would go on these and I would actually delete all the links that are pointing back to your site from these, like these foreign websites. And then I would go to a competitor's website that has a good backlink and trust flow. And I would try to see if I could get links from those sites that are actually putting out good trust flow. But anyways, that is backlinking in a nutshell. If done correctly, it'll definitely help your website rank higher on Google and get in front of that traffic that's being searched for appliance repair in Midland every month. Yeah, it's definitely a good looking website. Probably can just use a few more backlinks, quality backlinks, and deleting those non-quality backlinks to really get more traffic flowing to your website. But anyways, you're probably wondering who I am. My name's Sean Nelson. I run a digital marketing agency here in Midland, Texas. I help companies just like you reach Google's first page, and which increases the leads and customers that come into these businesses each month. If this is something you'd like to learn more about, I'd love to chat with you, see what your goals are for your business and your business's website. My number is 432-287-7788. And I thank you for your time, and I'd love to hear from you.